Hey guys, it's me, Beauty Glamour here. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and when you hit that subscribe button, do not forget to give this video a like. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Now let's get straight into this video. So my eyes are a little teary, so I'm just gonna kind of wipe them a little, and then kind of noticed like I was fiddling with the ring on my finger. It's because it's loose. I don't want to lose it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the 3 colors I'm going to be using in this, and then we're going to get on with the look. So here are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. This one, then that one, and those are the 3 like pinkish reddish colors I've got because I don't actually have a red. So yeah, so I'm hoping to make a really nice pretty pink, either like dark pink or red look. And basically with these I'm just going to be layering up the eyeshadows, applying one on top of the other. So yeah, that's that pink color I showed you guys. And then I'm going to move on. And then after I'm done with this color, then I'm going to move on to the next, and then the last and final color. The eyeshadow particles are flying up to me. Don't know if you could see that in the video. It's not. So yeah. Okay, so that is what the eyeshadow looks like. I know you probably really can't see that. I'll layer it up now. But first I'm going to clean the brush, and then I'm going to put the second layer on. So obviously, this is, Valentine's Day is coming up. Do you guys have plans? You gonna spend it, with somebody, or what you gonna do? So yeah, like if you're not in a relationship, if you're single, doesn't mean you still can't celebrate Valentine, just by yourself. I bought like some of my favorite foods. I'm just gonna be like, chillaxing a good day. So yeah. So now I'm taking that second eyeshadow I showed you guys, and just a little close up on it. That is what it looks like. As you can kind of see, there's this like spot right in the middle of it where you can see the 10, and that is because I hit pan on it. And if you aren't really sure what hitting pan actually means, it just means getting to the 10 of what the eyeshadow came in. So yeah, I kind of took like the shortcut, or this the easy way, which is basically just concentrating your brush in one area of your eyeshadow, and boom, then you hit pan very quickly. In the project pan videos I used to watch, they said that's like the easiest way, kind of like project pan. They would call it cheating, which I mean, it is cheating in a way. So yeah, I am still project panning, if you guys are wondering. I know I did like one video on project panning in the beginning, and I've not done a video on that since. If you guys would like to see a video on that, just let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you would like to see the items I'm actually project panning, then give this video, a like, and if I do 3 likes on this video, then I will show you guys the items that I am currently project panning. So yeah, that should be fun. That's also like why you see this video, you see this palette and the Profusions cosmetics palette in a lot of my videos, because they are my 2 favorites, I've got a lot of colors I like, but also I'm, working on them. Because I only have three eyeshadow palettes. And that is this one, the one I just mentioned, Fusions Cosmetic one, and then the Maybelline Total, I believe it's called Total Temptation, one that you guys see in some of my videos. Singles eyeshadow, but I'm working on my palettes right now. So yeah. And with the Total Temptations one, like obviously you can see there's, not much like eyeshadow left in that, and that's, like I said in previous videos, it just kept falling and eyeshadow just kind of came out, so I actually transferred one of the eyeshadows into a different container. So yeah. Move on to my last note. So yeah, sorry about that, someone just was interrupting me. Okay, that's the last eyeshadow I'm going to be using, and so far this is what the eyeshadow looks like. Okay, sorry, no, just person didn't close my door all the way, and they're like trying to, it's just making a noise, so yeah. So far this is again what it looks like. So far the eyeshadows, yeah. Okay, so far this look is coming out really good. And like I used to say in a lot of my videos, but I did stop saying it, I will say it again, with this makeup look I'm doing, you do not need like all the colors I'm using, you don't have to have the exact colors that I'm using. If you've got a red color, use that. If not, use the colors you have to make a beautiful Valentine's Day makeup look that you're going to be happy and proud of. Recreating makeup looks is definitely fun. I've definitely tried to recreate a few makeup looks from, YouTubers that I, saw a video of theirs and I was like, oh my god, I want to do that. But, I don't have the exact products they used. I don't have like a Makeup Geek, the Makeup Geek exact eyeshadow that they used. But if you have like one that is similar to that shade, then you don't have to go out and buy that exact Makeup Geek eyeshadow. Just use what you have at home, which is definitely a philosophy I'm, definitely really kind of getting to. When I first got into makeup, I did not have that kind of like philosophy of like use what you got, and I felt like I had to go out and have these of, eyeshadows, and even like some of them aren't that expensive, like Makeup Geek, they are not that, they're a pretty inexpensive brand, but I would feel like I had to go and have them, that like, shadow, and if not, then I can't recreate that look. And a lot of like YouTube, beauty YouTubers, and again, I'm not trying to like throw shade or like hate on them. They use a lot of expensive products, which is, hey, great for them. But for some people, you can't go out and spend that type of money on makeup. So that's kind of why I did make this channel, is to show you guys that there's a different way. You can still have like amazing, awesome makeup, but you don't have to spend $50 on one thing or like on multiple things. So yeah, and my philosophy kind of like, as I kind of got into project panning, kind of like found out about project panning and got into it, that's what they were saying, is use what you have, you spend the money on it, and actually, use it and enjoy it. So, because in the beginning, when I first got into it, I would, buy like a makeup palette, and then I would maybe use it. Sometimes I wouldn't even use it, I will completely admit. Sometimes I just bought makeup. Wouldn't even use it, just bought it pretty and nice and stuff. And then, I was finding out I had so much makeup. Then I found out that makeup makeup actually has an expiration date. I actually saw the video of makeup expirations from, I saw a few of them, but the first one I saw was from Thrifty Beauty. She did a video on makeup expiration dates and, you know, what makeup was and stuff like that she was actually gonna like be throwing out because it was too old to use. And that's actually when I found out makeup does have an expiration date. I did not know makeup expired. I thought makeup lasted forever. So then I went, you know, I saw a few more videos on that from other channels. I can't quite remember their names, but you know, if I remember or if I can find those videos, I'll link them in the description box. But anyways, you know, I went through my makeup and I told it expired. So I'm just gonna quickly clean up the mess and then continue to talk. So yeah, you know, I threw out some makeup and I did not like that. It sucked because a lot of it, like, it was really nice and beautiful, and if I didn't use it, I just bought it because it looked beautiful and I let it expire. So I really wanted to start using up what I had, because I still had some makeup that had not expired that, you know, I didn't really use, so that is how I got